It's Max, it's Max. He's the cranky puppet.
Bite me. Remind me again why we're doing this.
Because donating blood is a nice thing to do?
So is donating a kidney. But I only have one of those, and I need it to help filter alcohol.
I think you're thinking of your liver.
Bite me. I don't have a very good feeling about this. Oh no. No way. You're not sticking that thing in me.
Are you afraid?
I'm not afraid. You're afraid.
Max. Max.
What happened?
You passed out.
Ugh.
What are you doing, Max? You didn't even donate.
My time is money. That was worth it. When do we go again?
Max, you missed the whole point of this outing.
Bite me.
Max, what are you doing?
Mind your own business.
What are you looking for?
I've had a stressful week filming my social media. I need more content ideas. Do you have any, Miss Know-It-All? Exactly. Just looking for a little help.
Black holes are one of the most fascinating objects.
She said black holes.
And also, the most is so strong, not even light. The fastest known entity in our universe.
Okay, Max, ready for your flu shot?
What is with you and needles this week?
All right, Max, we're just gonna clean off your arm.
Can I even get the flu? I'm a puppet.
Maybe. We gotta take every precaution. Here it comes.
Oh, stop being a baby, Max.
Bite me.
Here's a Band-Aid for you, buddy. There you go.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
You have any Band-Aids with Hot Wheels?
No, sorry.
Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty.
Max, that is not a kitty, that's a bobcat.
What? That's Bob the cat? Hey, that guy owes me money. Hey, Bob!
He's the cranky puppet.
Bite me. Where are the Doritos?